Ah, at last, the moment of glory. I can feel their eyes on me. They want me. Of course they do. I am the foundation, the very heart of the matter. Some call me simple, but don't mistake simplicity for ease. There is a science, an art behind this perfect golden hue. It's the sacred secret of the double fry. First, there's the initial caress, a gentle bath in hot oil that makes me tender to the core. Then comes the shock, the grand finale, a plunge into maximum heat to forge this magnificent, crispy armor. It's a process, a journey to perfection. The rest? It's all just window dressing. You'll see them hesitate. It's the eternal question, isn't it? What delicious fate awaits me today? Will I be lovingly draped in the creamy embrace of a classic mayonnaise, or perhaps ignited by the fiery passion of a samurai sauce, or awakened by the zesty tang of an antlos? Maybe it's time for the grand romance, the Mitraillette. Picture it, me nestled inside a soft baguette, side by side with a hearty sausage, a bit squashed, yes, but part of something so monstrously, wonderfully delicious. Or even the stouflis, the sheer decadence of being smothered in that rich, slow-cooked beef stew. It's a destiny many fries dream of, but they all forget one crucial thing. No matter the sauce, no matter the pairing, it's asterisk me asterisk they truly came for. I'm that first fry a little kid sneaks from the cone before their parents have even paid. I'm the last one a couple playfully bickers over a small, delicious prize. I am that solitary moment of pure bliss, enjoyed with eyes closed, shutting out the world for just a second. I'm not a flashy, sweet liege waffle, demanding all the attention. I'm not a complicated cheese croquette with its hidden secrets. I am the truth. I am Belgium on a plate. The authentic taste of home, of celebration, of simple comfort. Ah, it's my time, the ultimate service, the final act. Yes, that's it. My favorite sound in the whole world, the perfect crunch, the beginning of happiness.